皆様大変お待たせいたしました。 WRS2025 愛知ものづくりロボットチャレンジにご来場いただき誠にありがとうございます。さあ本日は昨日まで行われました競技の参加チームによりますエキシビションを行っています。こちらの放送席では引き続き谷川先生にお付き合いいただきます。よろしくお願いいたします。
よろしくお願いします。
さあ本日4回目のエキシビションはタイから参加してくださいましたゴールデンロボットに登場していただきます。それではドクターキティお願いします。
はい、こんにちは皆様。So today I would like to present about my work in this manufacturing robotic challenge. So our project name is a compact manufacturing robot system for production line. Next, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kitti Suwarachatamani. What I'm doing in Thailand, I am a lecturer in King Mongkut University of Technology, North Bangkok, also consultant and founder of Golden Robot Company, and also visiting researcher at Waseda University, an academic subcommittee and special lecturer in Institute of Vocational Education, Eastern Regions. 5. I also manpower driving subcommittee in robotic automation career of Thai government, and also professional qualification committee for industrial robot for Thailand Professional Qualification Institute, and external assessor for ISIN framework with Thai context of Thai government, and the reviewer of international conference transaction journal in IEEE. Next, another member, her name is Silima Surachatamani. She is get PhD candidate now in King Mongkut University of Technology, North Bangkok, and he also a general manager of Golden Robot. Next, our concept design is for simplicity is the best. For international shipment, we ensure that the system should be lightweight, can be rapidly disassembled and allow for efficient reassembly at destination. Enhancement, reliability and robustness, low cost and faster development, greater maintenance and usability. This is our system overview. This is when we set up in Thailand before bring here. And here, what we set up on vinyl side. The system is combined with the S-robot that have the robot dispenser and controller. The S-robot is small robot. We have a webcam gripper. M-robot is medium robot. Have grip using the dual head gripper what we developed. Mobile robot 1 and 2 to pick in and out on the real robot reel. Work table, carton axis jig, and auto label dispenser. And also we have a signal lighter, but we didn't conduct here because in the venue have their own system. The small robot have a gripper, vacuum gripper like that to grab the normal product from the container and put them into the carton box. And for the medium robot, we also plan to use for a surprise product too. But the surprise product, it doesn't use this type of tools. The medium robot equipped with the dual head gripper. Dual head gripper have a function like this. We call the octopus pad. Octopus pad can grab the large object like this. So we grab the box and holding and put to somewhere. Another is have a soft gripper, small one, to grab the label and auto dispenser attached on the carton. Next one, these two robots will help each other to assist the carton box. For mobile robot, we bring in and out object into the system. The working flow is will be like this. The human put the object into the window and then move the robot to put in. Then the robot jig will be assembled together the box. Then the mobile robot one will bring the object into the system, and small robot will bring the normal product put in the box. Then the medium robot will attack the sticker. After that, put in the mobile robot will bring the package case into the system, and the mobile M robot will put the carton into the package case. Finally, the mobile robot one will bring out to the window, then human take it out. Summary of our system integration. First, we are high accuracy, we are modular design. Our system foundation is built by modular aluminum extension frame. Incorporate robot, mobile robot instead of heavy conveyor. As you can see, we are not use conveyor. Actually, we have conveyor in Thailand, but it's too heavy to bring here. So we try to use a mobile robot instead. For make it rapid, leg configuration and minimal footprint, minimal toolings. Second, we are enhance cost effective and scalability. The use of standardized modular component, mobile robot, and special tooling make the system financially accessible and flexible for goal. We are also using low barrier to entry, global deployment ready, because we are using knockdown and easy to reassembly. Thirdly, social integration and workforce augmentation. The choice of collaborative technology and mobile robot support a positive integration into the human-centric manufacturing environment. We save human and robot cooperation, flexible task allocation. So for more about us, please visit this website, our company, and about my research. And also, I get an interview from the Bangkok Bank. Yep, you can take a picture and find out about us more. Thank you very much. ありがとうございました。
はい、ドクター T ありがとうございます。はい、実際に競技エリアにドクター T 今から移動してくださいまして、ロボットの方を動かしていただくということなので、ちょうど皆様右手方向に進んでいただいた競技エリア2番目の競技エリアになりますので、実際にロボットが動くところをお近くでご覧いただければと思います。谷川先生、やはりタイから参加していただいているということで、海外チームならではの苦労もあるかと思いますが。
そうですね、はい、先ほど言ってたようにシンプルベストと言ってましたね、はい、そういう意味ではかなりシンプルなんですね、やっぱりタイから持ってこなきゃいけないので、はい、それも機内に飛行機で持ってきたっていう驚きの事実なので、はい、それだけのシンプルなものでできたというのは非常にすごい、システムになってますね。
はい、なかなか競技の最中はうまくいかないところもね、あったかと思いますが、エキシビジョンでどんな風に見せてくれるのか、ね、はい、楽しみですよね。はい。
なかなかスーツ姿でやっていただくっていうのはあんまりないですねしょうがないんですけど。はい。
Hello?
Hi.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now
please,
I will
please.
start the working process. You can come to help me. Okay. First, we will put the carton inside by pushing the start button. Okay. Then now it's moving in. After that, the small robot is moving out to make it more clear area. And then the medium robot bring the carton box in, and now it will assembly between the box and the jig. You can see the M robot put in and is helping open with the jig. Jig also have a vacuum. After that, the worker put on the normal workpiece. Check ข้างหน้ามุมหน้าหน่อย Okay. Then she will click another button to put in. We only put only 2 buttons for input, insert the object. But everything run here is automatic. Now the small robot is bringing the object, normal object, put in the carton box. Then the small robot will push the button and let the mobile robot bring it out. This one, the worker will take the normal big one out and put the orange small one in. Actually, if we have more area, or we can make it more conveyor, but this is just imitate to show you. Sure, okay. Now we let the surprise object get in. When they get in, the sensor recognize, then the small robot go to pick up the object and will be put in the carton. Now the robot slowly moving in and it's gonna be put in the box. After put in the box, the small robot will going to pick up the another one. Now it's pick up the second surprising object. It also bring in the box again. Okay, it's put in the box completely, and then the small robot will put the button to make the mobile robot bring the object out. Now, probably some battery is not so good. Then the robot is folding the box. Small robot making the folding, but I didn't make the complete programming, so I will folding out only 2 sides only. To just give you an idea, if we have more times, we will folding every side. Next, the small robot told the big robot, medium robot, go to bring the sticker. You can see the small finger on the robot. This one, you can see now it's going to pick up the sticker and bring it up. The sticker will be attached on the box, but I just imitate to show you that we put in the box in one area instead of the correct place now for a while. After sticker finish, the medium robot will tell the jig to turn off the vacuum and can bring out the object out. So now we get the complete box, surprise complete box like this, and put in the mobile robot too. After that, the medium robot will start the mobile robot to bring the object out. Yeah. Show them. So we just only here we show to you. Thank you very much for everyone. どうもありがとうございました。
はい、エキシビションを披露してくださいましたゴールデンロボットの皆様に大きな拍手をお送りください。ありがとうございます。はい、谷川先生ご覧になっていかがでしたか。はい、
昨日ちょっと難しかったところをクリアしてなんとか、やっていただいて、進歩はありました。よかったですね。
そうですね。きちんとサプライズタスクの方に挑戦していただいて、
サプライズをやっていただいたんで、はい。
なんかシール取るのもうまく取って らっしゃるなっていう部分は、
そうシールよくピックできましたね。
本当ですよね。さあでは競技アリーナの方でのインタビューの準備が整ったようです。土橋先生お願いします。
This is Dobashi at the team booth of Golden Robot. So this is the team leader Dr. Kitty. Yeah, please welcome. Welcome. So how was the competition? Overall impression of this competition?
Yeah, very good. Everything is make me a lot of experience. This is my first time to join a competition like this. Yeah.
Okay, great. So in this demonstration, you showed the performance of the about the surprise task.
Yeah.
So yeah, as a committee member, we are very happy to see this try of the surprise task. So what's the most difficult point in this surprise task?
For me, I think it's difficult to think about anything difficult because for me is I think I can do it. Nothing difficult because we can work hard and try our best. Everything can be achieved. Yeah, but we take times because we don't have time to prepare because when we come the system of safety is not matched with our one. So we spend time a lot to fix the safety issue. So we have no time to prepare another thing. But if we have more little, maybe we can get more point on that.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah.
So do you have any ideas about increasing the members of the cooperating members of your team?
Yeah.
So now you are just two people.
Actually, I come myself. I didn't come for company or from university, but as I come, I have to sign to let the university allow me to come. That's why I have to give you the affiliation. But actually, I come myself by my money. So everything that's why two people like this. Yeah.
So maybe in future World Robot Summit you can bring some other members.
Yeah. As I have many committee and working in many things in the government, I will report what experience with the good thing, bad thing, everything I learned from here to the Thailand. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we are really looking forward to your participation.
Yeah, in the future, if I possible, I will bring the team at the university to come here.
Yeah. Please. Yeah. So thank you very much again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
はい、ありがとうございました。はい、あえて難しいサプライズタスクにこのエキシビジョンで挑戦していただきました。タイから参加してくださいましたゴールデンロボットの皆様に今一度大きな拍手をお送りください。ありがとうございました。さあ続いてのエキシビジョンはジャックスの皆様に登場していただきますが、お時間整い次第ご案内してまいりますので、ぜひ皆様続いてのエキシビジョンもお楽しみください。